to another video. Today we're basically doing some little playing with Nerf guns. Yeah. Basically, my guns right here. There, Nerf gun. It says rifle back there, by the way. And mine has a little custom. Got some cheetah tape, rocking that cheetah tape right there. It's right there. Let's see if we can see in there, in the. Yeah. Anyway, my video is not gonna be looking inside Nerf gun, by the way. And yeah, today we are basically doing wars. There's right there, Aiden right there. Say what's up.
So,
And basically, we're gonna be doing Nerf wars. His gun is like mine,
but
his is red and mine is blue. And his gun is kind of matching him today. And my gun's kind of not matching me, but who cares? So, we're gonna be doing some wars with these guns.
But first, we need to make cover spots.
Yeah, first we need to make our hiding spots. Our hiding spots where we're gonna hide. Know that? Yeah. Come on, let's go. Wait, I wanna see if my gun's loaded.
Right there, perfect.
Yeah, it's loaded. Okay.
Alright, this one's gonna be a good one. This is gonna be a good one.
Two of them came out. That's weird. I never have that with my Nerf guns. I never have that with my Nerf guns. So basically, we are kind of trying to hide. Come on, Daniel, let's go hide.
There you go. There you go.
Okay, this is my house.
Not actually this house, but
This is my house that I'm gonna hide in. Not actually my house, but yeah. Just open, goddammit. By the way, it says welcome right there. Wait! God damn it, look at this house. Nope. Ah, fuck. I kinda got stuck. But yeah, let's go. Let's go do this. Let's see where is it. Well, I don't want to shoot me. I'm scared. What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? Okay. First shot. Oh, seriously, not loaded. Hold up, Aiden. You got it.
that's 90 feet tall. 90 feet. You ready?
So yeah, let's go. Don't shoot at me. Ah! Ah! Why is he hiding right there? That's not. Don't shoot me. Wait! It's a brutal kill! It will be a brutal kill if we wait. Kind of mounting my gun on there. No! Don't shoot! So yeah, you guys are kind of scared of Nerf guns. Nerf guns. Ah! Whoa! Look at that little guy. Hey, hi. Yeah, you get the fuck out of here. Oh, look at that one too. Yeah, you two get the fuck out of here. Ow! Whoa! You guys seen that one coming? Oh, fuck, that one almost shot me. he wastes his ammo, then I'm gonna go ahead and shoot him. You can't reload, nigga. What are you doing? Huh? So you see, he's trying to reload over there. Look at the hoverboard. It's just standing there like, what the fuck you guys doing? Huh? 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 You can't reload. This is cheating. No, wait! So, I'm kind of gonna. Ah! I shot him! I shot him! Be quiet, Aiden! As you can see, my bullet is just standing there lonely. Let's get the fuck out of here after we lose you. Uh-oh. Okay, but that was kind of painful for Aiden because yeah, I was gonna kind of hit him. Yeah, right there. But yeah, I almost got shot by that kid right there. Look at him, he's walking. Oh shit! Okay, basically, he's looking for his bullet right now. I'm just gonna reload my gun. Alright, let's put that back in there. Yeah.
Hey, just tell me to have the hiding technique.
So yeah, I haven't showed you guys this, but look, open the trampoline, Aiden. I think you already stepped on it. Don't step on it. Look, you're stepping on it. You're almost gonna fucking step on it. So basically, let me show you guys what's over there.
What happened to the trampoline last night?
Yeah, it's having a struggle getting on the fucking trampoline. But yeah, yesterday, Mr. B. Oh shit.
Mr. B got in the way.
Mr. B kind of got in the way.
And we shot him.
And no, we didn't shoot him. Mr. B kind of got in the way. Poor Mr. B. Rest in peace. More like pieces, nah? But yeah, that big ass ball right there just went like this. Look, could I see the ball? It just went. Meow. Mr. B was sitting there like a little dumbass. He's like, na 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 na. And this ball just came and just.
Hey,
and yeah, the poor Mr. B. So, yeah,
that's the end
guys,
of the video.
that's gonna be the end of the video. If you guys like this video, make sure to subscribe, like, and yeah, goodbye.